Take one.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, Eli's out there.
Shoot him.
Are you kidding me?
You gotta try more then.
Get more.
That's pretty funny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's good. This is wonderful.
Don't shoot big.
That is unbelievable. Holy crap! There you go. That took long enough. That took long enough.
That's just too much.
And that's settled down, and once that's settled down, it Okay, Corsten? Joe, you screw it on?
Yeah. 1, 2, 4.
3, 4,
5.
wow, that is loud.
No, not yet.
Potato. Spud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's. Then hold it upside down for a sec.
Okay.
Not on there right.
You didn't put it on tight enough, and
Is that a fire?
yes.
That was fire.
Oh my God.
Wait, Corsten.
How long was that? Probably 8 seconds.
Here we go.
Yeah, it's not
Hey, pan it at me. Last shoot of the Spudzuka for the day. Fill it up, Eli. Yeah. Put in a lot. Hold it upside down.
So I'm gonna start.
Yep. Go.
Oh,
Yeah.
here we go.
What's in there?
Is there more?
A lot.
What's in there? Like other rocks? Just single one?
3, 2, 1, go!
Aw.
Blew off the end.
Sad. Fire, 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 fire.
Unsafe.
Fire.
Fire.
You alright, Dima?
Yeah, cinch an eyebrow.
Yeah, it's not on fire, it's not on fire. Put it out, dang it.
Dima, put it down. It's going up the
Fire
tube.
coming out the top.
Put it out. Put it on the ground. Jesus.
Woo! Good job, guys.